So hey you guys, this is Glamazon Tay and I'm back with a new video. And today you guys, I'm going to be collaborating with Dsoar Hair. I got Malaysian curly hair, 4 bundles of 26-inch and a 20-inch closure. And also you guys, I did it in a total and it's $287.45 for this hair I have in my head. So I'm going to start telling you guys that kind of stuff so you already know and you don't have to go check it out yourself. Now today's video, I'm going to be doing a flat iron test. Now also, let me just excuse myself right now because you guys, I am very sick. So I had to do this voiceover to get this video out for you guys because I'm trying to stay dedicated in 2019, baby. But sis, this voice is not cutting it. But I'm collaborating today also with Rob Folks. This is a stylist from Maryland, you guys. I did a video with him a couple days ago and you guys really enjoyed it. And so today we're doing a flat iron test and a curling test on this Malaysian curly hair. Now, we're taking this wand and he's going through and basically doing some spot curls where basically we're just like freshening the hair up. I literally washed the hair and that's the natural state of it. So now we're just doing those little curls and stuff just to make it pop more and give like that big, nice Solange look. So I wanted to see exactly how curly this hair could go. So this is something I wanted to test out with the hair. And towards the end of the video, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and straighten the hair so you guys can see how flat this hair can go and we can talk about that. But in the meantime, between time, I will say with this hair, you guys know Malaysian hair is also a very lightweight type of hair. So even when you do straight hair, Malaysian hair is always silky straight. Like it just gets really flat. It's really soft. So I always like Malaysian curls because they're just so flowy, lightweight, and like fluffy. Like they just give that pretty look. And I actually like this hair a lot. A lot, honestly. The only thing I can say is if you do wear the hair and you don't have any product in it, it's gonna like get bigger and bigger throughout the day. But if with doing these curls and stuff, and I've done this style afterwards, this style actually kind of stays put a little bit just because it has a little bit of heat to it. But overall, I thought these curls were very pretty. It looks really lit, and I was like, okay sis, I'm feeling it. But like I said, as you guys can tell, it's just so fluffy looking. So I really did enjoy this hair. I really liked it in its curly state. Because I'm looking crazy. Follow him at Rob Folks. But be prepared if you book him that he is stressful. You heard me?
Only to the celebrities.
What the fuck? Okay, let me show them. I gotta show them what I learned. Look, y'all.
I'm a hairstylist, I'm a photographer, everything.
Paparazzi, stop.
I can't.
Now you guys, this is Rob going through and straightening the hair. Now I know y'all probably like, what in the world, why would you straighten this hair? But the reason of straightening the hair was so I could show you guys if the hair actually is very versatile far as with straightening and with curling, you know. So with going through, we did notice that when you're straightening the hair, you're going to have to press this hair like at least 3 to 4 times, sometimes even, just to get it really straight, get all the waves out of it and all that kind of stuff. And even with this hair, after doing that, we seen that it's really actually lightweight hair. So it kind of took to what the humidity was. And sis, when I tell you this hair gives like realistic tease, it really started like waving back up. So I mean, the straightening portion of it, I personally would not straighten it to wear it out, not unless you want that straight and thick with a wave type of look to it. But I was still happy to do this for you guys just so y'all could do it and you can see a 100% test of the hair. But like I said, we had to go through a couple times and straighten pieces over and over again just to get it like bone straight. And then even after that, it still was never like 100% bone straight. But right here, you guys, look how freaking pretty it is, like curled out, like, oh my God. I mean, not curled out, like, you know, just combed out. This hair is really, really pretty far as with like curls and waves and making it bigger. This is the perfect hair for that. Just because, like I said, the curls aren't heavy. They're very lightweight. So it gives like an effortless, messy look. But as far as with the straightening portion, y'all gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. So pretty much this is what it looks like all straightened on that one side. And then I decided to kind of, you know, feel the vibes out, look at it, see how thick it is. I wanted you to see the one side really, really curly and then the one side really, really straight. I thought this was really good just to show you guys the luster of it. It's really pretty. It still moves. So they be moving, sis. But it just, you can tell it's still very thick. And it's very much made kind of to be curly. But I do like the straightened look just because it does give a natural straightened look. You know what I mean? Now, also, after doing this, I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and straighten the whole entire thing so you guys can see exactly what it's giving. Because, honey, there's some thick hair, okay? So overall, you guys, I'm just thinking about the hair. I personally think that I would just use the hair to be straight. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know what you think about the straightened hair. Do you guys purchase different bundles so that you have your straight wigs and then you have your curly wigs? Or do you guys like it to be really versatile with far as doing your curly wigs, you'll straighten them, and then in your straightened wigs you try to like curl them. Personally, with me, I have different wigs for different things because I just feel like I like my curly wigs to stay curly, I like my straight wigs to stay straight. But overall, this hair is versatile, as you guys can see, but it still has a little wave to it. But this Dsoar hair, since I'm not mad at it, it did a really good job. It held it down, and then, you know, if we kept pressing it, we could have got it straight as possible. But I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like just doing an average straightening job on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And in my next video, I promise you guys I won't be sick, and I hope you enjoy. Also, I want to let you guys know when I wet this hair up, it did curl back, but I have no footage of that. And currently right now I'm not home and I'm in Maryland, so I just wanted you guys to know it does revert back. So I'll see you guys. I love you. Mwah.